Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to build and deploy a fully functional web application in just 60 seconds using Bolt.new. So let's get started. Step 1. The magic of Bolt.new. Most AI tools just give you the code and then you have to figure out how to run it. Bolt.new is different. It's a full-stack web development agent that lives in your browser. It writes the code, installs the dependencies, and actually runs the app for you to see in real time. Step 2. Starting your project. Go to Bolt.new. You'll see a simple prompt box. You don't need to install VS Code or Node.js. Just type what you want to build. For example, let's type "Create a modern task management dashboard with a dark mode and a progress tracker," and hit enter. Step 3. Watching the AI work. Watch the terminal on the right side of the screen. You'll see the AI creating files, setting up the React environment, and installing libraries. In a matter of seconds, a live preview of your app will appear on the right. You can actually interact with it. Click buttons, test the forms, and toggle the dark mode. Step 4. Making real-time edits. If you want to change something, you don't need to touch the code. Just tell the AI, change the primary color to emerald green and add a calendar view. The AI will update the code instantly, and the preview will refresh. It's like having a senior developer sitting right next to you. Step 5. One-click deployment. Once your app is perfect, it's time to go live. Click the deploy button at the top right. Bolt.new integrates directly with Netlify or Vercel, giving you a live URL that you can share with the world. You've just gone from an idea to a live web app without writing a single line of code. If you're tired of complex coding tutorials and want to launch your ideas instantly, make sure to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI guides. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you managed to build your first app, and I'll see you in the next one.